Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to start another chapter, halves and quarters revision. Okay, children, what is half? What is half? What is half?
If we cut a circle, we will get a half.
Half is nothing but part of a whole. If we have taken a whole thing, in that we are making it parts. So half means part of a whole. Okay. So here we have some problems. Let us do those problems now. Drag line and drop in the suitable box. Here you have 4 boxes. What are them? Whole, half, quarter, 3/4. So here you have respected pictures. You have to drag and drop the correct box. You have to drag and drop them in the correct box. Okay. So here whole is there, first one. Where you can find the whole, ma? Where you can find the whole? In the 4 pictures, where you can find the whole? Yes, second one. Very good. Now, half. Where you can find half?
It's a fourth one.
Okay, very good. So, where you can find quarter?
Third one.
Excellent, ma.
Teacher, first one. Teacher, first one.
Yes, very good, very good. So, you know that this is the whole. If you make whole into half, each part will become half. Okay, equal 2 parts. If you make the whole into 2 equal parts, each one becomes half. If you make the whole into 4 equal parts, each part will become quarter. Okay?
Quarter.
Next. Here you have some things, match the following. So you have to match. Okay. So where is half, ma? Half means in fraction.
Second one.
Right?
Ma'am, second one.
Yes. 1 by
2.
What about quarter?
Ma'am, first one. 1 by 4.
Whole?
3 by 3.
Whole means 1. 3 by 3. How much we will get? 3 by 3 means 3 will go in 3 in one time. So it is equal to 1. So whole is nothing but 3 by 3. Okay. Very good, ma'am. Now, write true or false. 2 halves make a whole. True. 2 quarters make a half.
Yeah.
True. Very good, ma'am. 1 half and 2 quarters make a whole. Very good, ma'am. Yes. So you understand the concept of what is a half, what is a quarter, and how to write them. Okay? Good.
Ma'am, this lesson also is interesting.
Very interesting and easy also, ma. Yes, ma. What fraction does the colored area show? Color in the bubble next to the correct answer. Okay?
First one, 1 by 2. First one, 1 by 2.
1 by?
1 by 4.
So what fraction does the colored area show? So in 4 parts, how many parts it colored, ma?
Teacher, 1/4.
Yeah, here, how many parts are colored?
2. 1 part, ma'am.
1 part is colored. So, 1 part is colored. 1 by, total how many parts we have here?
2, ma'am.
So, what is the answer here?
1 by 2, ma'am.
1 by 2. Very good. Next, Lina. Yeah, tell me, ma. Third one.
I can't see the screen.
Why? Might be your internet is slow. Yeah, Samhita. Tell me, ma, third one.
2 by 3, ma'am.
Very good. Here we have total how many parts here we have? We have 3 parts.
3, ma'am.
In that 2 parts are colored. So the answer is 2 by 3.
3.
Teresa,
Ma'am,
tell me my
3
fourth
by
one.
4, ma'am. 3 by 4, ma'am.
Very good. 3 by 4. Next, Joy.
Yes,
Fifth one.
ma'am.
Fifth one. Total how many parts are there here?
3. Ma'am, 1 by 3. 3 by 4th, ma'am. 3 by 4th.
Wait. How many
by
parts
3.
are here? How many parts are there?
Teacher, 2 by 3.
Yes. In that 2
And
parts
teacher,
are
2
colored.
parts are
So the
colored. That
answer is
is 2 by 3.
2 by 3. Very good, ma. Join with arrows following the example. Here, one example is given for us. Observe the example first. So, first one is 3 by 5. So, total in 5 parts, 3 parts are colored. So, we can write it as 3 by 5. So, here it is. And that is read as 3/5. 3/5. Okay. Now, so next one. Aniket?
Yes, ma'am.
Here you have 4 by 12. Match, ma? Match
4
with
by
arrows?
12.
4 by 12.
4 by 12, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3. 4th, ma'am.
In which picture you can see 4 by 12?
4 by 1.
So total 12 parts where you can see, ma? In which picture you can see total 12 parts? See from here. You can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here you have 9 parts. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 12 parts. 4 by 12 means what? 4 parts should be colored. So
4
here
by 6.
we can match it here. And this can be read as 4/12.
4/12.
Okay. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Pratibha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This one 2 by 3. Where you can match, ma? 2 by 3.
Ma'am, 4th one.
Yes. 4th one we can match it. Then how we can read, ma? How we can read?
2, 3, ma'am.
2/3. 2/3. Here it is. Okay. Next.
Okay.
4 by 9. 4 by 9. Where we have, ma? Shiva. 4 by 9.
Four by 9, huh?
9 parts, where we can get 9 parts. So here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts. Here you have. In 9 parts, how many parts are colored?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 9 means this is 4 by 9. So this can be read as, how we will read? 4 9s. 4 9s. Okay. Next, Vaishnavi. Yes, ma. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Where you can see 1 by 2?
1 by.
So out of 2 parts, 1 part should be colored. Out of 2 parts, 1 part should be colored.
Triangle.
Yes, this is the triangle. So this can be written as, this can be read as 1/2. Here it is. 1/2. Okay. Next. 2 by 4. Out of 4 parts, 2 parts should be colored. Out of 4 parts, 2 parts should be colored. Where it is? Here it is. So which is nothing but, it can be read as 2/4. Okay. Next. 4 by 6. So here you have 4 by 6. Is 4, 6. 4, 6. Okay. Is it clear, children? Any doubt in this? How to match it? So first we have to find out total parts. In that how parts are colored, and then we can write the fraction. Number of parts colored by total parts. Like that we will get the fraction. Yes, ma'am. Color 1/4 of each shape. So here we have 3 figures. In each figure we have to color 1/4 part. 1/4 part means what, ma'am? How many parts we have? 4 parts.
4.
Out of 4 we have to color
1 part.
So any one part we can color. There is no problem. So this is 1/4. Okay. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4 we have 4 parts. So from this any one part we can color. Any one part, ma. You can take any one part. So this is 1/4. Here how many parts we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts we have. From this we have to color one part. Any one part we can color. So this is 1/4. Okay. Now. Now you have to color 1/3 of each shape. 1/3 means what, ma? Total how many parts? How many parts you have to color? 1/3
1
means
part,
what?
ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, we have to color only 1 part.
Very good. You have to color only one part out of
3 parts.
out of
3 parts.
3 parts.
ma'am.
We have to color only
3 parts, ma'am.
one part. So any one part we can color. So this is 1/3. Here also we can color any one part. 1/3. 1/3. Is it clear, ma? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No doubt.
Yes. Color 3/4 of each shape. 3/4. Color 3/4
We
means
have to
how
color
many, ma?
3 parts. Ma'am, we have to color 3 parts out of 4 parts, ma'am.
Very good. We have to color 3 parts out of 4. So
3 parts, ma'am. We
any
should
3
color
parts
3
we can
parts of
color.
4.
Any 3 parts we can color here. This is 3/4. Okay. In this also any 3 parts we can color.
We have to color 3 parts.
So this is also 3/4. 3/4. Out of 4 parts we are coloring 3 parts. In this also we can color 3 parts.
3 parts, ma'am.
While filling this, you can use crayons, ma. Okay. Use crayons and fill it. So this is 3/4. Is it clear to all of you? 1/4,
Yes, ma'am.
3/4, 1/2, half, whole, everything. Okay. Is there any doubt in that?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Here in 6/9. In 6/9, what is numerator and what dash is denominator? Numerator means what, ma? The number which is lying on the upper side of the line, division line. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So what is the numerator here? 6 is numerator and 9 is denominator. In numerator, we can write in short form N, denominator D. Okay? Now, in 7 by 5, tell me, ma, what is the numerator and denominator?
7 is the numerator, 5 is the
Denominator. Okay. Next, in 3 by 10?
Ma'am, 3 is the numerator, 10 is the denominator.
10 is the denominator. Very good. Now, write a fraction with numerator 6, denominator 4. So, now you have to write the fraction. What is the fraction here, ma? N by 6. Numerator by denominator.
4.
6 by
Numerator 12.
Next.
9.
12 by 13.
12 by 13,
12 by 13.
12 by 13.
Very good, ma'am. Now, here, find 1/4 of 48. 1/4 of 48 means what, ma? 1 by 4 into 48. 1 by 4 into 48. So, this is in denominator. This is in numerator. So, this can be written as 48 by 4. So, now divide it. 48 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 0. Get it 8 down. 4 twos are 8. 0. So, how many times it will go, ma? 4 ones
12
are
times, ma'am.
4 twelves are. So, the answer is 12 here.
12.
Okay. Now, 1/5 of 25 means 1 by 5 into 25. So, 5 ones are 5. How many times it will go in 25? 5 5s are 25.
5 is 25.
5 we are getting there. Is it clear, children? Now, 4 by 3 into 60. 60 is numerator, ma. So, 3 is in denominator. 6, 12. How many times it will go? 20 times it will go. So, now, 4 into 20. 4 20s are 80.
80.
So, 4/3 of 60 means 80. So, children, here I want to explain you one thing. When we are writing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, we are writing them. Those are called what I told you, whole numbers. So, when we are writing that 4, this can be written as in fraction form 4 by 1. That means if we are writing 3 means in denominator we have 1. So, you have to remember that. So, again 1 by 3. 1 is in numerator, 3 is in denominator. Okay. So, when we can cancel, if the numbers are in numerator and denominator only, we can cancel. If the numbers are in numerators, we have to multiply them. Okay. 4 by 3 into 2 we are saying. Okay. So, 2 means what, ma? 2 by 1. We have to multiply the numerators and we have to multiply the denominator. 4 2s are 8 by 3 into 1. So, 8 by 3 is the answer. You should remember that. Okay. While cancelling fractions, while dividing fractions in numerator and denominator, you have to remember these things. If the numbers are in numerator, we have to multiply. If the numbers are in numerator and denominator, we have to divide. Okay. You should remember that point.
Teacher, 40.
Yes, ma'am. There are 80 mangoes. Half of them are ripe. How many mangoes are ripe? So, total mangoes, how many we have?
8.
80.
40.
Fraction of mangoes. Half. So, we need the number. Number of ripe mangoes. How can we calculate, ma? Half of 80. So, half of 80 we will write.
Teacher, half of 80 is 40.
Yes, 40. 2 ones are 2. 40. So, 40 mangoes are ripe. 40 mangoes are ripe. Okay. Now I will give one more question. You have to answer it. Okay, ma?
Answer is 15.
Shiva, don't shout. So total children. How many are there? 30. So number of boys.
Teacher,
Half of
number
them are
of
boys.
boys. Teacher, what number of boys are 1 by 2? 4 by. Means half of 30.
Half of 30
Half of 30 is
15.
15.
We have to find out number of girls also. Number of girls, how can we find out, ma? Two methods I told. Total children minus number of boys, we can get girls. So 30 minus 15. How much? 15 girls are there. Otherwise, half of
15
them
girls,
are
15 boys.
The remaining half are girls. Okay, again we have to find out for half. Anyway, in two ways you can use any one way. Okay? Is it clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. In how many different ways can you balance the weight of half kg? Half kg means what, ma? 500
Half of
grams.
50
Half kg
grams.
means 500 grams. So, in how many ways we can write 500 grams? 200 grams plus 200 grams
200
plus
grams plus
100
200
grams.
grams plus 100 grams.
Next, 250 grams plus 250 grams.
Ma'am,
Next,
50 plus
yes,
30 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams.
yes, but we don't have 30 grams weight.
to
Only we have weights of 10 grams, 20 grams, like that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have weights of 10 grams, 20 grams, 25 grams, 50 grams. Next. More. 100 grams,
75 grams.
50 grams we have, and 100 grams, 200 grams, 500 grams, 750 grams are not there. 500 plus 200 we have to write. Okay, 1000 grams. Like that we will have the weights. So 30 grams weight we don't have. 30 grams we can write 10 plus 20. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 50 grams plus 50 grams. Okay, like that in so many ways we can balance 500 grams. 500 grams means half kg. In how many ways can you balance the weight of 3/4 kg? Here the weights are given for you. Using these weights, you have to write in different ways. Okay.
Teacher,
So 3/4 kg means
teacher,
what?
500
How many
grams, 250 grams. Teacher, 500 grams.
3/4.
500 grams plus
750 grams.
250 grams.
Yes, Seema.
Teacher,
Half kg
500
means
grams
500.
plus 250 grams.
1/4 means 250 grams. 3/4 means 750 grams.
750 grams.
1000 grams. Okay?
1000 grams.
So now 3/4 kg means 750 grams. Fine. How many ways you can write, ma'am?
Teacher, 500 grams plus 250 grams.
Very good. Next.
500 grams 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 50 grams. Plus 250 grams.
200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 100 grams plus 50 grams. This also we can write 2 to 400, 600, 750. Okay. So like that in so many ways we can balance the weights. Is it clear, children? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, this is what we learned in the halves and quarters chapter. So by this, we can complete halves and quarters revision. Okay, children. Now we will start the next chapter, tables and shades.
No.
Children, do you have any doubt in halves and quarters?
No. No, ma'am.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. Children, what is meant by sharing?
Share something.
Sharing something equally among some people, some group of people. Okay. Suppose I have 5 chocolates. I am sharing equally to 5 members. Each one, how many chocolates will get?
One.
Chocolate will get. So simple way, how we will do? We will do division. We will do division. Okay. So I have 10 pencils with me. I shared those 10 pens among 2 children.
Teacher, 5.
So how we can write it? Total by number of groups. So total how many I have? 10 I have. In how many groups I am sharing? 2 among 2 children I am sharing. So that can be written as 10 divided by
10 by 2.
10 divided by 2. There we are getting, each one will get 5 pens. Okay. Now we are going to do some divisions first. Okay. Later we will do word problems. Yes. 28 divided by 2. So division means we have to share 28 among 2. So how we will do first? We have to check first digit to the left. So 2 how many times it will go? 2 ones.
Teacher, 14.
Very good, ma. Subtraction. So again get it down 8. 2 how many times it will go in 8? 2 fours.
8. 4, ma'am, 4 times.
There is 0. Divider is 0. Okay. So 2 how many times it will go? 14 times. Now 66 divided by 6. Do it and tell me the answer, ma. Do it and tell me the answer. Do it in class works. Make it fast. If we have school, everyone will come and do it on board, one by one. Very good.
Ma'am, we can only tell the answer. We can't come.
Yes, 6 ones are 6. Division means subtraction. 6 minus 6, 0. Again, get it the next digit. 6 ones are 6.
6 1 6.
So the answer is
11.
11. So 6 divided by 6 is 11.
What division?
144 divided by 3. Now.
Ma'am,
What is the first digit? 1. 1 is lesser than 3. So we cannot do the division there. So we have to check in 2 numbers. Next, check in 2 numbers. 14. How many times it will go? 14. 14, 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. Again, 3 fives are 15. So 15 is more. So lesser number we have to take. So 3 fours are 12. 4 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Again, get it down. The next digit, 4. So now how many times it will go in 24?
Answer is 48, ma'am. Ma'am,
How many
answer
times?
is 48.
3 8s are 24. So the answer is 0.
48, ma'am.
Now, whether it is correct or wrong, how we will check? We need to multiply these two.
Ma'am, we have to multiply 48 and 3,
3
ma'am.
8s are 20. Sorry, 3 8s are 24. 2 carry forward. 12 plus 2, 14. So our answer is correct. Like this also we can check our answer, whether it is correct or wrong. Somewhere I am getting sound. Please don't make sound.
Division, please.
Do it, ma. 428 divided by 2. 428 divided by 2. Do it and tell me the answer.
14, ma'am.
Yes, ma, you are correct. 2 2s are 4. 0. Now get it down to again. 2 1s are 2.
Teacher 29. Teacher 29.
2 4s are 8. So then remainder is 0 there. I am giving some questions to you. You have to do it and tell me the answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
One complete set of class 3 books costs
Okay,
565.
ma'am.
How much money did a class of 40 students pay to the bookseller if all of them bought their books from him? Number of books are 565. So how many children purchased? 40 children purchased. So total money, how much money we have to pay? What we have to do first, tell me. Multiplication or addition?
Multiplication.
Very good, Pratibha. Multiplication we have to do. So do it, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Total books, total books 40. No. See once properly.
Division. Teacher, division.
Yes, ma. No. Multiplication only. One complete set of class 3 books means set of books. A bundle of books for each child. For one child, 565. Okay. How many children purchased? 40 students. So 565 into 40.
Ma'am, 22,000 and ma'am, 22,600.
22,000.
Are you using calculator?
Yeah, are you using calculator? I have a doubt. Show me your work. You have to show the work to me.
Okay.
You have to show your book to me.
Ma'am. Which question?
Yes, ma. It is 22,600. Yes, where is Pratibha? Pratibha want to show the work. Okay. Yes, ma. Pratibha. Very good. See, she done it. 22,600. Who has completed it, ma?
Teacher,
Yes, who is that?
Abdul.
Yeah, show me. Abdul, where are you? Very good, Abdul. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Do the multiplication of 52 into 25. 52 into 25. Do it and tell me the answer. Show it to me, ma. Joy. Show me your book.
Ma'am, can you see it or shall I?
No. Little bit. Yes.
Ma'am. Teacher.
Yes, Kadir. Very good. Samhita.
Ma'am, Pratibha.
Samhita. Yes. Next.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes. Joy, I can.
Ma'am, Pratibha complete.
Pratibha, where are you? Yes, Pratibha. Yes. Very good. 1300. Next. Who completed, ma?
Ma'am.
Yes, Joy. Okay, ma. Fine. Only 5 members.
Ma'am, Pranavi.
Pranavi. Yes, Pranavi. 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute. Abhi, did you complete? Yes. Pranavi, show it to me, ma. Show properly. Yes. 1300. Yes, fine, ma. Children, do it. 65 into 22. A factory produces 12 DVDs in one day. How many DVDs will it produce in a year? In 1 year. 1 day, 12 DVDs. 1 year means how many days, ma?
365.
Yes, in 365 days, how many DVDs? Do it, ma? Now, 1 year means how many days? 365 days. So, number of DVDs?
65 or 366. Or
Produced in 1 year. 1 year means what, ma? 365 days. Into 12. 365 into 12.
Man, the answer is 4,380.
Okay?
Teacher, 4,380.
So,
Teacher, 4,380.
so let us check 12. 12 plus 1, 3. Next, 13. 6, 7. Again, 3 is 65. 0, 8. 4,380. It is 4,380.
Teacher,
Yes, ma. Very good. 4,380. Very good, Joy.
Pratibha also completed.
Very good, ma. Very good.
I also completed.
Samuel, where are you?
showing.
Yes, show it to me, ma. Yes. Okay, ma. Fine. 120 pens were distributed equally in a class of 30 students. Each student gets dash pens. Each student gets dash pens. Total pens
Teacher,
how many, ma?
120 by 30.
Total pens how many?
There are total 12. 120.
Yeah. Huh?
120.
Yes. Total pens 120. Distributed among how many children?
30 children.
30.
30 students.
Okay. Each child gets 120 divided by 30.
Teacher, 40.
Yeah.
4.
Yes.
Ma'am, 4 ma'am.
Yes, simple we can say 120 divided by 30 means like this we can write. So there we will get
We have
12
to
by
minus
3.
0, 0.
Yes, yes. Each child gets 4 pens. Each child gets 4 pens. There are 35 students in 7 rows. 7 rows, how many are there? 35 are there. Each row has same number of students. How many are there in each row? In 7 rows, 35 children. In 1 row, how many children? What we have to do?
Division.
Division. So 35
Division.
divided by 7. How much? Tell me.
35 by 7. 75 divided by.
Very good, Kadir. 5 students. Very good, Pratibha.
Yes, ma'am. I'm 5.
Yes, 5. That 7 5s are 35. So in each row, how many students are there? 5 students are there.
Fine,
Okay, fine.
Teacher.
Another.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Pranay did. Ma'am, Pratibha completed.
Yes, Pratibha. Very good. Pranavi, very good. Kadir, very good. Samuel and Joy also completed.
Black color.
Yes,
Yeah,
fine,
blue,
ma.
na?
Very
Blue
good,
and
very
red.
good. Sharanya, did you complete it, ma? Sriza?
Ma'am, is this into?
There are 10 packets of sugar. Saurabh paid 110 rupees for all the packets. What is the cost of each packet of sugar? So, for 10 packets, cost is 110. One packet cost we need to find out.
110 into 0 is
What we have to do?
110 into 10 is 110 into 10. Division.
Yes, division. So 110 divided by 10. Very good, ma. 11. Each packet cost is 11 rupees.
Yes, ma'am. 11, ma'am.
Cost of each packet is 11 rupees. Yeah, one more question. 1 meter of cloth costs 20 rupees. Lal Bhai bought some cloth and paid rupees 140. How many meters did he buy? How many meters did she buy? So, total cost of the cloth is 140 rupees. 1 meter costs 20 rupees. How many meters did she buy? What we have to do?
Division, ma'am.
Division. Do it and show it to me.
I have to do now 1.
She can buy 7 meters of cloth for 140 rupees.
Class over. I completed.
Yes, ma. Very good. Very good, ma.
Ma'am, I
So, but you
completed,
also have to write the statements there. When we are doing word problems, write the statements, ma. Next time onwards, you have to write the statements.
also completed, ma'am.
Very good, ma.
also completed, ma'am. Ma'am,
Pranvi
from
also
the
completed,
video I will
yes.
see and write, ma'am.
Samhita, did you complete?
Yes,
Ma'am, Pratibha completed, ma'am.
Yeah, Pratibha, I saw it, ma. Yes, I couldn't see Laina, Ujjwala and Sriza. Samhita, okay, fine. Srija, I could not see properly. Keep it properly, ma. Yes. Children, did you understand, ma? Did you understand the concepts of
Yes,
tables and shares?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah. That's all for today's class, ma. We will meet in the next class with another chapter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Take care, children. Have a nice day. Bye, ma.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma. Thank you very much. Yeah, a little bit properly, ma. Srija. Straight. Yes. Yeah, fine, ma. Srija. Okay, children. Bye, ma. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.